Lucky to be alive in the most wonderful place. So nice to be here. It's the most wonderful place. Nature. And to be connected in this nature. Being in this moment. That's where the happiness, that's where everything is. Everything that you can access from the universe. This is right here, right now. Be here, now, right now, present moment. That's where everything is. The happiness. I can see beauty in everything. Especially the nature, so wonderful and peaceful to be here right now. It's nice to be alive, to see the beauty of everything that around you. It's nice to be alive, to see the beauty in everything. Everything that you see around you. Today's message: be here now. Be here now, right now, this moment. That's where that you can see. That's where the universe. That's where you can get access to the universe, to be in this moment. nature is a wonderful thing, because this nature is going to teach you lessons in life. And it's wonderful to be connected with that nature, that way you can see a lot of things and be who you want to be, and without judgment. When you come to the nature, that nobody's going to judge you. Just you be who you want to be. Just you be who you are. That's what's the wonderful thing about this nature. It's just be in that moment. Life is a journey. That journey, you meet a lot of people. I mean, one of these guys is right here, and I traveled around the world and met a lot of people. And his life story is quite interesting, and we are going to fucking California and see how things turn out to be. And you know, let's see. Yeah, what's up? Back to you. Okay, no, cancel it. It's a beautiful day.
this awesome dude right here. It's Chansey Carrot Bush. And this rock star right there.
Yeah,
Santa. Sacramento River.
It's Riley. Life is a journey, man. Just we meet a lot of people at all times, you know. So, yeah, it's a nice day to go out and see things. Yeah, he goes to fish, huh? It must be a big fish, man. Let's see what kind of fish that he has. He has to fish. He gotta fish. Looks like a big fish, man. So as you can see, this guy's been fishing and he caught a big fish. I mean, it's quite far away from us, but still that you can see that yeah, everybody's looking at it. Yeah, this is a good place to be, man. What do you say? It's a good place to be, huh? Like it? Best places to be. Fishing, it doesn't matter. Yeah. I feel it. We go fish, man. Let's go. Let's fish over here. Everybody's watching over there. And Sacramento. Life is good, man. Life is good. Everything's nice. And that's what it is.
It looks normal when it's on.